At last, we meet for the first time, for the last time. Nobody knows the importance of maintaining your Hayward HT431 full height turnstile better than us. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. Performing the steps in this video yearly will greatly reduce the downtime and extend the life of your equipment. Let's start by checking the locking arms for freedom of movement. They should move freely with only the resistance of the solenoid. If the lock arm does not move freely or is too loose, you'll want to inspect the solenoids and check the lock arm to see if it is damaged. You're gonna wanna use dry lubricant to lubricate the bushings on the top and bottom sides of the lock arm. If the lock arm bolt is loose, you're gonna wanna remove it and apply Loctite thread locking compound to the lock arm mounting bolt. Tighten the bolt and check the lock arm for action. In order to get a better view of all the mechanical components, we're gonna go ahead and remove our top plate. We're gonna start by making sure the power is off. Next, we'll unplug our solenoids. We're gonna remove the micro Schwartz activator. You're also going to want to make note of what position that was in. And then next are going to be these two bolts. And with that, this plate will lift right off. Now that we removed the top plate, we're gonna apply grease to our roller bearings here, here, and here. Next, you're gonna wanna remove your solenoid and clean the plunger and check the cavity for debris or buildup. Cleaning off any debris or buildup that is on your plunger, and then reassemble. Repeat this process for this solenoid as well, inspecting the cavity and the plunger for debris or buildup. Inspect your plunger is functioning properly by slowing down the rotation. When the roto spins, this plunger will depress, allowing for a safe speed for all pedestrians. With all of that inspected and functioning properly, we'll go ahead and reassemble the top. Replace your two screws. Reinstall your micro Schwartz activator. Again, making note of which direction it was facing when you uninstalled. And you want a slight gap underneath of it so that it doesn't end up causing friction as it spins. Reconnect your solenoids. Next, we're going to inspect all electrical wiring by verifying that our screw terminals are secure and that the connections and our activation wires are not faulty. So your incoming access control wires will be wire nutted or beamed to these. And you want to make sure that that connection is good. I call it the Tug Test. Give a tug on each of the wires and make sure that nothing is loose or nothing ends up breaking connection. After completing these steps, cycle the roto in both directions numerous times to test the ease of operation and to properly spread the lubricants on the moving parts. There's no reason to go on an adventure to acquire 1 million space bucks to maintain your turnstile. If you need on-site service from one of our turnstile specialists, please contact our service department. If you feel like your turnstile is beyond repair, check out the link in the description for a list of full-height turnstiles that are typically in stock at Avant-Garde. Hopefully you found this information useful. If so, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions, please leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning into the Turnstile, guys. We'll see you next Galaxy.